Tail, that side.
Yeah, did you get it? Oh, look, that's pretty tight. Alright, so we ran into a little problem when we went to put the child seats in. The back seat belts are not latching. I knew I had to replace these. They're almost 50 years old. And seat belts, like tires or exhaust or windshield wipers, have a life expectancy. They can't last forever. In this video, we're going to show you how to bring the back seat of a 67 Camaro up to today's safety standards by installing car seats and installing new seat belts. It worked. Could use a vacuum. At least the seatbelt bolts look to be less than 50 years old. They look fairly new. So somebody who I thought was in bed decided to come out to the garage. And you're gonna help me put the back seat back in.
I'll do it.
Okay, I'll aim it for you. You see it there with the light? Okay, push the button. It's tight? Yeah, just keep doing that. Back and forth until we get it really, really tight.
Wanted this too?
Yeah, we'll need that at the end. That's a torque wrench.
You need it now.
Yeah, we'll use the torque wrench to make sure they're tight enough.
Tail, that side.
Yeah, did you get it? Oh, look, that's pretty tight. Good. I think you got it. The back seat's back in place, except for the bottom.
We don't fit the bottom.
It works.
Yay!
You're sitting in the back of a 67 Camaro, just the way I did when I was your age.
Yes.
That's the car.
Then I was right. When I'm told when I'm told. Then I'm doing this right.
Yeah, you're gonna drive this car when you're 16.
Yes. And then we'll be free.
I'm gonna be 3 and you'll be 16?
Yes.
That's a good idea. I wish I could still be 3 or go back to being 3.
3 turns. See, 3, 4. When 3 turns to 4, it'll be 4. And then 4 turns to 5. You're even bigger.
Uh-huh. And then 5 keeps going all the way up to 16 and you'll be driving this car.
Yes.
And then I'll be 3. Can you undo it? You gotta press the button at the same time. Press the button with your thumb. You did it.
Well, this way, that way. That's right.
Yep. We did a good job here. We took the seat out, took the old seat belts out, and then I was putting the new seat belts in and you came down. I thought you were asleep because it's late, but you came down and you helped finish the job.
Yes.
Now we're gonna do the same thing but put a child seat in. So the car seat we chose here is the Britax Frontier Clicktight version 1.1. And here are the specifications. You'll notice the benefit of this seat is that it goes up to a fairly high weight.
Dada, we can put toys. Yeah?
And here comes the big seat. It's ginormous. There's the click. Now we gotta tighten it. Tighten it by pulling this. You want to sit in there now?
Yeah. Got this window up. Try to do the bottom. Just the bottom was ready for me to do it.
I bet. And when we're driving, we're gonna have this seat down.
Okay. At least my waist can go down so I can see through the seat.
You can see above the seat, can't you?
Yeah.
You can see forwards. You can see forward.
This car is a good car.
Why is it a good car?
Because I can see over the seats.
Yeah, you have good visibility in this Camaro.
trash goes in here.
Trash goes in there.
Yeah.
Normally we have anchor points somewhere in the back of a car. 50-year-old car doesn't have them. Don't need to cut into anything, but I see access to the trunk right here in the corner. Not ideal, but I bet you that's going to work just fine. So there's a little inlet on the corner of the packaging shelf that allowed for the seat anchor to pass through without any cutting. And that's where it's anchored inside the trunk. Fairly easy. It just took about 10 minutes. That's what the child seat looks like from behind. Let's get it. Can you wiggle the car seat, see how strong it's in there?
It's long. Okay.
Wiggle it real good, as hard as you can. So we have both of the car seats in. They're attached to the lap belts and they're anchored into the top of the packaging shelf and into the trunk, so the anchors are quite solid as well. Let's see if you can see both of those.
Don't put both the wheels right here.
You don't put groceries right there?
No,
Then what goes right there?
nothing.
Nothing? Why is that?
Nothing goes about the there. That's the test is this is not taller.
They're not what color?
It's not taller.
You need to be able to see out the back window when you're driving.
Yeah. These are super tight.
Okay, now we can take it out for a ride.